We are delighted that we can start to return to campus in a phased and organised way. Your tutor will have explained to you when you can return and how often this will be. You won't be following your usual timetable because you are returning in order to complete online assessments or practical tasks. It is really important that you have read and signed the learner agreement before you come to college. This gives you very detailed information about how to behave and what to expect when you are on campus. Remember, if you feel unwell or anyone in your house has any of the 3 COVID symptoms, so that's a new continuous cough, a high temperature, or a loss of taste or smell, you must not attend campus, but please let your tutor know that you won't be attending. On your first day, you will be welcomed at the entrance by our campus staff. You should already know which classroom or workshop you are working in, but if you are unsure, they will be able to help you. When arriving at the classroom or workshop, you will need to remove the face covering you have used for travel and replace it with the 3-ply covering that our campus staff give you. You will need to wear this face covering while you are in college. There are no canteens or shops open on campus during the Phase 1 return period. We will provide you with refreshments either mid-morning or at lunchtime, depending on how long you are on campus, and this will be delivered to your classroom. Feel free to bring additional water or snacks with you. Now, you may want to wear warmer clothes as we will be opening windows regularly to keep the rooms ventilated. You will not be allowed to leave campus during the day. If you do leave, you will not be permitted to return that day. You will be able to visit the toilets and use the smoking shelter, but you must respect the capacity of these areas and maintain a social distance from others. If you are sitting an online assessment, your invigilator will explain the arrangements during that time. When you have finished your college day, you should travel home straight away. College buses will be running and you should continue to wear face coverings and maintain distance when using this transport. Now, all of these measures are put into place to minimise the possibility of transmission of the COVID virus. I would like to thank you for how well you adhered to the measures that we put in place before Christmas, because this has really helped us to plan and start our phased return. If you do have any worries, please contact your tutor before coming to campus. If you have any concerns whilst you're on campus, please speak to any member of staff and they will be able to help you. We look forward to seeing you from a safe distance and helping you to continue your learning and achieve your qualifications.